Academy for Health and Fitness.
Hello, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Abrasive Wheel Safety Training course. In the first lesson, you will learn the basics of abrasive wheels, and step by step, you will learn other safety tactics as well. So let's get started. So what is an abrasive wheel? Abrasive wheels are rotating wheels used for a wide range of applications in the industry, from grinding and dressing to cutting materials such as metal and concrete. Abrasive wheels can be attached to various mechanical tools, such as petrol saws and angle grinders. These can also be used in workshop grinder machines. Let's look at some benefits of using an abrasive wheel. It can cut through hardened steel. It is capable of producing smooth finishes. It takes less time. It can maintain precision in any situation. It needs very little pressure. It has enhanced grinding productivity. You need to know the proper use of abrasive wheels. Maintaining safety is a very important aspect of this matter. To better understand the importance of maintaining safety while using abrasive wheels, let's meet Joshua.
To see the full course, visit the link in the description below.